Welcome to the series of Learning Arabic in 3 minutes. Please make like and subscribe to the channel and share the video. Today, inshallah, we are going to learn how to ask in Arabic, is there? And as we usually do, we will have an example. Is there a plan in your mind? How to say this in Arabic? We will say هل توجد خطة في رأسك؟ هل توجد خطة في رأسك? So is there means هل توجد or هل يوجد, and after it there is a noun. If this noun is a masculine, we will use يوجد, and if it is feminine, we will use توجد. Okay, so is there food in the fridge? First we will say هل يوجد طعام في الثلاجة؟ هل يوجد طعام في الثلاجة? Is there a food in the fridge? Is there a pen in your bag? هل يوجد قلم في حقيبتك؟ Is there a pen in your bag? هل يوجد قلم في حقيبتك؟ The last one, is there a cafe in this area? Is there a cafe in this area? هل يوجد مقهى في هذه المنطقة؟